at 3:04. We haven't went to bed yet. Y'all, this the girl who said, hey, Chicken Cheese. She knew she cursed.
Hey, see you night.
Tell them how you feel.
I'm pissed.
You feel good or you feel bad?
I feel good.
So y'all, when we wake up,
you were very down.
Okay. Okay, y'all. Tomorrow when I get up, which today is Thursday. I'm gonna cook spaghetti, corn on the cob, garlic bread. What?
Oh, we gonna get some egg at night. Take it out.
Want some? He up here eat noodles. What's up, my lovely supporters? I am back. It's the next day, which is Friday. I'm finna shave, bath, brush my teeth because I just got up. My baby and I drinking his milk, even eating her cereals. And yeah, that's what I'm finna do, and I'll be right back with you guys. Smell.
Cheese.
I'm finna do my baby hair as y'all can see how it looks. We watch TV or whatever. He taking him a nap. Ain't nobody here but us. We in this thing thugging. Y'all get into this hairstyle I'm finna do. I'm really trying something new on her head. Cause I'm tired of seeing a lot of ponytails. I wanna try with my baby beads that she got or whatever. And yeah, y'all see it look short as hell. But wait till I get through. Peace. Ooh, shit. Ooh, do another pole, girl. Ooh, shit. Oh my God, look at her. What's up, Marie Cash gang? We are back at with another YouTube video. We finna go wash clothes. Come on. Look. We finna go wash clothes. Do a little house shopping and I done got me and the kids' bags ready or whatever. King ready. Miss Eve ready. And I'm ready. Finna eat some noodles before we go because I want to sip on me a little drink while I'm riding and shit. So yeah. We'll be back, guys.
Cheers.
I'm okay. I call her never help. Why? Cause you know they head slide. Either dig out the body, then take a picture with it, show everybody. Now that's a head doctor. I need a.
So what's up, YouTube? I am back. I have my chicken seasoning. I have my meat already getting cooked. I put sausage in mine and just ground beef. I have the noodles going. I'm finna put the grease back on the stove. And I got some more grease up here. And yeah, I'm finna show you guys the results after I am through or whatever. Yes, it's getting cooked. And I have to clean it or whatever. Look what my little girl did. I don't know. Kids see your house clean. That just makes up pure point blank. And yeah, I have to straighten up. My little girl got to eat some watermelon and I have to wash out the dishes or whatever. I don't want y'all to see that because it's too messy or whatever. And look at that. Look at that. Boiling over. Y'all get that up like that. Get that up like that. Let it see. Let me see how I do it. You gonna boil down? Y'all keep on doing. Look at that. Look at that chicken. Y'all get into that chicken. Oh my God. told you guys I was gonna give y'all a cooking video. When do y'all news be through? Here I come. When do y'all noodles be through? Y'all be cooking them? Like, when do y'all stop y'all noodles? Got that shit out my pot on me. Here I come. Sorry, y'all, showing too much. Which one do y'all think I should use? I wish I would have asked you guys, but I think I want to use the 4 cheese one. Or should I use the tomato pesto? Let me use that one. I don't know, cause I'm gonna put some cheese in it myself. But you guys, here goes the cooking. The chicken is frying. The noodles is boiling. My meat is cooking. I was gonna do garlic bread, but I changed my mind. Hey you guys, welcome back to my page. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm just up, watch TV. Ain't nothing else to do. Y'all, I'm gonna drop a story time for you guys, so stay tuned. My little girl gonna be in it. I guess she got something to tell y'all too, or whatever the case may be. I told her don't curse no more because she do too much. But yeah, you guys, we just gonna be doing a little story time. Nothing too major, but it's gonna be a story time. I'm not gonna tell you what it's gonna be about because it's gonna be in the next clip. But yeah, make sure y'all tune in and always remember, you Lil Marie Cash gang, you always gonna hang. If you ain't Lil Marie Cash gang, then baby, you can't hang. Just like that.
Why would I fight? And what are you here for?
I'm so damn fine.